Everyone, this is Salsa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and we have another.
Bruh.
Hi everyone, this is Salsa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and today we are here at Metro Gate Subdivision, a secured subdivision, and it's very close to Angeles.
Bruh.
Sorry. This is Salsa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and we are here at Metro Gate Subdivision, and this one's a secured subdivision and also close to Angeles Exit and Marquee Mall. Now behind me is this brand new, a single story, and it's very perfect for a starting family. Start na kaagad for your gate, and then you have a single carport pero high ceiling na rin siya. Also, fully covered na rin. Kasya yung kahit van kasya for this one. Tapos this side is your, could be pwedeng maghang ng clothes, and then pwede na rin dito yung gawing dirty kitchen. And also, ito na yung mga service area. And then that one is your just access go from inside. Ano ba? Ano si girl? Kumusta ba yung mga Bicolano ngayon? Okay. This side is your pwedeng gawing pocket garden, or you can still put artificial grass to set up your outdoor dining experience. Why, girl? Nakalanghap ata ako ng maraming abo sa Bicol. Anyway, wow, very nice, naka-smart lock yung main door niya. Tapos hindi kami makakapasok ni Mr. K dahil hindi natin mapapasok siya. This is your main door. Tara! Welcome to your dream home. Ang ganda! Napawawa ko in fairness. So, as you enter your main door, this will be your living room. Ang ganda niya pala dito. Okay, ito na naman ako sa hindi ko pinasok yung bahay bago ko i-house tour. Pero it's worth it. Ganda pala niya. Living room, entertainment wall, tapos may mga cabinet na to store yung mga susi, siguro pwede. Tapos this one, first door. Same sila ng material ng door for your main door. Ay, ang laki din. Uy, wow! First room, may air condition unit na, also high ceiling. Clean lang yung pintura. Clean lang yung paint ng wall. And then this side, you have your closet. At the same time, you have your shower area. Separate here is your toilet, middle sa sink, and then your shower area. Also, may heater na. That's a good thing. Tapos talagang high ceiling. Ganun yung magaganda sa mga single story pag high ceiling. Kasi nga, syempre mas maluwag din yung area. Especially pag yung medyo hindi kalakihan yung mga lot sizes na ma-maximize nila because of they made it a high ceiling. Now this one, separate from your living room, kita naman natin sa tiles, ang ganda rin, is your formal kitchen. A spacious one pa rin. Dito yung lutuan, and then dito you have your fridge, and then your quartz, countertop, yung mga overhead cabinets na din. Hanggang taas yan. Ito laminated. Ito wooden yung design. Cute na rin. Starter family talaga, pwede. Ay, ang laki ng sink. May kulang pa yung faucet niya. This one included na. And then this side, another door. Ay, galing na ako dito kanina. Tignan na nga natin. Ay, okay. Hindi pala accessible yung service kitchen natin from inside. Though, pwede siyang still accessible pag nagluluto dito sa labas kasi through this sliding window na sa loob ko na mabubuksan. Pero it's nice pa rin. Madami pong space dito for your laundry talaga. May nakalimutan pala ako. Since this is your formal kitchen, this area will be your dining area. Pwede yung mga 4-seater or round table. Diyan siya mismo kasi this is your living room. So, kasya pa siya dito. Tapos this side, parang may corridor kayo dito. Pero unahin ko na tong door na to. second bedroom. Malaki pa rin yung second bedroom natin. At may access dito, okay. Tapos malaki yung cabinet. Ang taas ng cabinet. Oh. Tapos this one, dito. Pati ito. Ito yung bedroom number 3. Also may air condition unit na rin. Tapos ito yung sliding window na pwedeng magpaluto agad ng ano dun, food. Tapos yung toilet and bath nila is here. May common toilet and bath tayo dito. Useful one. Kasi, pwede din dito na yung laundry area. Dito may nakaabang na rin for your washing machine. Kakaiba din yung design niya. This one parang just add your mirror dito. Yung iba naglalagay ng altar for the santo. Ayan, I guess that's it. Pero kakaiba yung layout at the same time. Yeah, perfect for a 3 to 4 family naman siya. So the house comes unfurnished. Now let me just give you your quick recap again. This side na lang para mas kita ko yung lahat. Yeah, it's a nice layout din. Kung gusto nyo din ng helpers area, pwedeng gawin yung dirty kitchen. That's just a suggestion. For me. Okay, for your quick recap, this house is brand new and located here at Metrogate Subdivision, a secured subdivision located very close to Angeles exit. If you're looking for a very close to Angeles exit. Now, for the house sits at 150 square meters for the lot area and you have 120 square meters for your floor area. This is 3 bedroom, 2 toilet and baths. You also have your single carport and the house comes unfurnished.
I just want to say thank you for our 15K subscribers on YouTube channel and 31K followers on our Facebook page.